Nobody knows when it's their last day on this earth. That's why me have to give thanks to life. Every day I open up my eyes. Nobody knows when it's their last day in this world. That's why we have to give thanks for life. Every day we open up the eyes. Yeah, man, blessed morning, blessed rising, you know. You go each and every one. You say give thanks to life, you know. Cherish each moment. Every day I wake up, the eyes open, you have to cherish every moment. And don't forget to give praises unto the Most High. Rule of all, you know. Have a blessed day.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless all of my greetings, all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health, you know, health over wealth. And your health is your wealth. So I'm going to please take care of it, you know, you don't know vlog on the go. Also a blessed Sunday, give thanks to the uprising. Give thanks to the little that you have. Each and everyone who can find them Sunday dinner, you see me? Yeah, man, be grateful. Whether for rice and peas, stone corn meal, porridge, mackerel, chicken, oxtail, cow food. Just be grateful. See? I remember say somebody has it worse out there, see? So don't stress out on yourself. Just be grateful. Yeah. Now my viewers and subscribers, they are on the journey to football, you see me? I go watch my son play, you know? Yeah, man, sorry, I don't know. Gunners for life. See? Gunners for life. Yeah, man, I want to give a big shout out to each and every one on the platform. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. And look out for my interview coming up with Rasta Stocks, and our next YouTuber, also a stockbroker. Also, yeah, man, why try to big up yourself? Zine? Yeah, man, I want to big up all of the Arsenal fans. Zine? I want to give a shout out to who this now? One thing, I check out that YouTuber. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know more to check out the 3 Pointers TV. It's an Arsenal TV. You can look out for Lionfoot joining force with them soon. See? So big up the whole Arsenal fans. Arsenal TV.
It's quite interesting. Pepe started Pepe, so it's a massive day for Pepe. Smith Rowe, Saka, and Aubameyang. So he's going to attack, man. We're at home, and why not?
There you go. My prediction is 3-0 to the Arsenal. 3-0. All right, that's all I'm gonna say. What's your prediction, brother?
No, not me.
This is a 3 Pointers TV, man. What's your prediction today, man? Are we going to be dashing eggs at Vieira?
You can't be doing that tomorrow.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? There he is. Yes, Dave. How you feeling right now? You feel loose now, yeah?
I feel really good, man. Couple of beers, hamburger, and Zaha's fucking ass.
What's your prediction, brother? What's your prediction, bro?
3-0 Palace.
3-0. What?
Smash them easy. Jordan Ayew on the right.
You're saying 3-0 Palace?
3-1.
Alright. 3-1. You're saying 3-1.
Now Arsenal are trying to get the second goal. The goal's been gaping from Crystal Palace. Here we go. Shout out to the 3 Pointers TV. That's what I say, reach out, so you can look out. You see me, if you see Lionfoot TV joining force with them, you know what I mean? Big up the whole Arsenal. You see me, fully red. They're dead. Yeah, man. Now my viewers and subscribers. In this vlog, you know, we have a talk about a little issue I'm seeing on the paper. I feel like for highlight. You see me? The opposition senator show some shades at Sha'Carri. Well, everybody always takes it for Sha'Carri. Come like, no Jamaican no like Sha'Carri. I lie. Me like her still. Yeah. I like her enthusiasm, her self-belief, you know what I mean, and her confidence. And no matter what they knock her, she's still confident. So big up Sha'Carri, see? And also, Tammy Lee have a new album a drop soon, November. See? Yeah, and some performance from Mr. Easy, Danny Bless, and Zebra. So big up all the Zebra fans. Y'all want me picture for free. It's all about the video. It's all about the lane after the break.
Yeah, me.
From now on, I'm gonna settle down. No more, I'm gonna let you down. You could have run well left me, but you stuck around. That's why me decide to stop fuck around, baby.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You don't know, that's my single, I'm a change man. You know, you can go check it out, you see me? Yeah man, I'm a change man. From now on, I'm gonna settle down. Available on all digital platforms. You can go stream it, add it to your playlist. All of the man we can relate. All of the man we behave themselves now. Zed. All of the womanizer them. Yeah man, you can go check it out, add it to your playlist man. More time your wife kick off, you just draw feet, you see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So no long talking, I could kick it off with the opposition Senator Lambert Brown has accused the government of being lax in advancing the rights of the disabled community and pointed to what he said was an absence of clear provisions to accommodate those individuals for COVID-19 vaccination. He said, when it comes to looking after the business class, we have fast lane. But when it comes to people with disabilities, we are like Sha'Carri. Dead last. He said, his reference to American track and field sprinter Sha'Carri Richardson, who after much hype fizzled to place 9th in the much anticipated women's 100 meters at the Prefontaine Classic in Eugene, Oregon in August this year. So boy, so time fly man, August, September, October. So you know Sha'Carri did come last and everybody did a bash her and say, oh Sha hype up and this. And I go on and she come last. So big up Sha'Carri see me, but yeah, the opposition Senator Lambert Brown as a boy, the disabled people with disabilities, they're not getting no attention, no love, no seen to. You see me? And the government now push no effort to help them. But when it comes to the rich, and them I get them in the fast lane. The disabilities, the people them with disabilities are in the last lane. Yeah, but yeah man, the government them to do better. Maybe things are in place to help them still, but me don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section still, see? Yeah, big up all the people with disabilities. It doesn't matter what it is. Big up each and every one. See? And you don't have to depend on the government, you know. Anybody we can help and assist with a wheelchair or a walk or a coach stick or hearing aid or yeah, help man. Don't have to sit down and wait on the government. I'm saying big up Anti-Dana. Next, my viewers and subscribers. Tammy Lee Sparta has been incarcerated for a while now for gun and ammunition. So big up Tammy Lee and the whole Sparta family. Yeah man, so Tammy Lee have an album a drop soon. And this is where team members say, 7 months after being sentenced to 3 years in prison on gun and ammunition charges, the entertainer Tammy Lee Sparta is preparing to drop his debut album. A statement from the DJ's camp noted that the album titled Transition is set to hit the streets on November the 5th. So you can look over Tammy Lee album the November the 5th. Zimmy? Yeah man, big up all of the Sparta Lee fans them. You know what I mean? Tammy Lee fans them. Sparta, Yeah. Look out for the album Transition. That's what I say. And it's good to see the artists behind bars are doing time. And also the music still at work. You know what I mean? I'm having team them, you see me? That's why teamwork make the dream work. Yeah man, so my viewers and subscribers, let me know when you think about that all the Sparta fans them. Drop a comment in the comment section, you see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, talking about incarceration. Zebra. All of the Zebra fans, I know they must feel glad to see that video, you know. All who haven't heard or seen him for a long while. So Zebra inside behind bars, and watch him go with.
See it there? Yeah man, check this, check out your money and bet this. A mafia lifestyle.
biggest earth strong.
Yeah.
You don't know, Anatone.
Yeah.
We spend on the US and pound. Yeah. Forward and don't mess around.
Oh.
And the zebra, the girl them treasure. Girl around with picture for free. And it's all about that avenue, it's all about that lane. And those girls you know, so that yo, mafia thing. Biggest earth strong.
Yeah, man, you know, so a zebra that with him. You see me? Girl man on the picture. And they had a lot of my train that, you know. Yeah, that's my train. So you don't know a vlog on the go. Yeah, man, so Zebra perform. Big up the whole Anatone. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Big up Anatone. Well, Jamaica same way. World over one piece. One place. Jamaica, we are all one. Stop the crime, see? Next performance now, my viewers and subscribers, Mr. Easy. You know, Mr. Easy, that one part I perform him song Wish You Were Here. Him hit song, you know. I know Mr. Easy as bad singer. So big up Mr. Easy. Watch one.
You can't forget your friend them, man. You understand me? So if you lose somebody I know, say you miss them. This one they wish you were here. Run it. Run it then.
Love Star Music.
Oh yeah. Mr. Easy. Missing a friend. Na 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 na. Do it again. Look, Mr. Easy keeping it breezy. Ha. A real G ain't supposed to cry, but breathe on my tears. You are my bona fide, always blessing everywhere. You were more than a friend, you were more than a family. Words just can't explain the pain my heart still bleeds. Oh yeah. So me ask the creator, because I am the maker. If me G gone on to somewhere greater, things not the same since we bred. I wish you were here. Oh, I wish that I can see you again. Treasure all the time that we spent. Judge, I know I'm missing a friend. I wish you were here. Oh, every time I go around the bend, memories just hit me again. Can't believe you're not there on the end. Real gangster not deal with emotion. But every time I take a walk up on the road that where we grow up on, tears just a flow like an ocean. Say me just can't hold it back. Say me can't have a see the
Black man can't play with one another. Them mother and them father. So jealousy my brother come here with no drama. Man kill them with karma. Lie them and tell them boy don't stand zing friends. Oh Lord, when they use them I hold them meditation. They are so not carrying.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, that's why I go on Mr. Easy, I perform nice song too. You see me? So Mr. Easy, yeah man, big up yourself. Another video, I see I can see Harry Toddler, I saw General B, I saw Nitty Kochi, all of the greats them, you see me? And also Jeffrican Agent, big up yourself, Chuck Back Producer, you know what I mean? Steve Lack, big up yourself. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, big up everyone again, all of the artists, them young and old, you know, veteran and senior, and rookie, you see me? Yeah, man. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, now taking entrance boss, Danny Bless, you see me? Yeah, man.
24 hours a day, it's 24 hours! You know, this time, you think I have to stop. You said I'm on the chain.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, big up Danny Bless, big up Entrance Boss. You see me? You know, Danny Bless is a promoter / stage presenter / producer / actor. Now he's venturing into music, and you know, every time I see him perform, it's like he's getting more confident. His confidence is growing. You know what I mean? His delivery is very ascertained. That's what I say. And he might enjoy himself, and the people must support him. So that's one of the greatest things, you know, when they run a performance, your fans them are react. That give the boots and the drive to continue and the confidence. That's what I say, to excel. So big up Danny Bless. What do you think, my king? Entrance Boss. Yeah man, and you don't know. All of love. Viewers and subscribers, you don't know a vlog on the going up. Right now, I take with myself. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Yo, man, the real of the realest. Man, want be great, me no care who want to be the best. I'm the career, me pre, me could have pre-last. I'm in no German.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell before you go, so you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.